Letter F. Written by Caspian Scott. Illustrated by June Julie. Many words begin with letter F.
Name me word the girl as.
F. F is for fish. For fence.
A for farm. F is for friends. R.
Just put your face.
Fish. Which one is frog?
A dark, dark door.
I saw a dark, dark door. Oh.
And behind the dark, dark door,
And behind the dark, dark door,
I found a dark, dark chest.
I found a dark, dark chest.
Was I scared?
Was I scared?
No.
No.
I opened the dark, dark chest.
I opened the dark, dark chest.
And inside was a...
And inside was a...
down.
The sun went down.
The stars came out.
The stars came out.
The clock struck 10.
The clock struck 10.
10. And I went walking under a dark, dark moon.
And I went walking under a dark, dark moon.
And under that dark, dark moon,
And under that dark, dark moon,
I saw a dark, dark tree.
I saw the dark, dark tree.
Was I scared? Tree.
And past that dark, dark tree,
I saw a dark, dark house.
I saw a dark, dark house.
I went in the house.
I went in the house.
Was I scared?
Was I scared?
No.
No.
And in the dark, dark house,
And in the dark,
stairs.
I went up some dark, dark stairs.
Was I scared?
Was I scared? No. No.
And at the end of the dark, dark stairs,
And at the end of the dark, dark stairs,